Hello. In a previous tutorial I talked about dimension gaps, which is the gap between the two surfaces here. Today, this is very short today. How do we open this? Is two car doors. How do we open them? This is the front door. So the driver sits here and the children sit in the back row typically. And how do we open the doors? Well, in this case, we don't need the construction curves anymore. You might remember that the construction curves are just a very elegant way to manipulate the things here, like this. Always very elegant. But we don't need them anymore because now we're dealing with the finished surfaces. So I delete them. And now I have only two objects here. That is the two surfaces, the two doors. Now, how do I open the front door? Well, it depends a little bit where the pivot sits. The pivot is insert, then you can reach it. It currently, I don't know why that is, it sits right in this corner, which is quite practical, really. Actually, I want to move it up here and maybe go to the precise front view here and move it somewhere like here. So that's where the hinge would be typically located. Is that what you think? Well, let's open the door. Let's do the same thing with this door. The pivot currently sits here. Maybe it sits somewhere else in your case. Again, you press insert, you move the pivot over here, and maybe a little bit up like this, and go a bit closer. You can snap it to the surface, to the curve, to the edge if you like, but this is not really crucial here. And now we have the pivot sitting here. I pressed insert again and the door opens like this. So we have two doors opening like this, which is just the way we want them to open. So the pivot is crucial for rotating things and scaling actually as well, but scaling is not important right here. Bye.